I think this formation should go. This formation look too easy and as well too easy to win, bro. This formation will make you win and win. You guys know what it is. This is the 4-2-2-2 formation. I'm going to be guiding through how to set it, both the play style, both the individual instruction and everything. So stay and watch this video to the very end. If this is your first time of using this channel, please do subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Without too much of a time, let's dive right into the video. First, we are going to be setting the formation. Okay, for the formation, we are going to be placing our right back here, CB, left back, and the DMF is going to be there. Okay, but you are going to be using a CMF. So here we are going to be bringing our CMF here, CMF, and Raul is going to be being our attacking. Okay, guys, so we are going to be bringing Hazard. So guys, this is it, bro. This is the formation you need to use, the 4-2-2-2 formation. It's very easy in looking, but you win so easily, bro. For the play style, I prefer using the long ball counter, Fabio Capello. Bro, if you use this coach for this formation, you are going to love the game. And for the individual instruction, okay, in the individual instruction here, we are going to do it this way. For the offensive, we're going to be setting our defense left back. Okay. For the defensive, we're going to be setting counter targets to our attacker, Raul. So we don't need much individual instruction. This is just what we need. I set this left back so that it's going to be holding your opponent's wingers. Okay, so that is it on the formation and the instruction and whatever. See you guys in the next one. You have come to the very end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please do it to subscribe and tell me in the comment section if you want to know anything about eFootball or you're having any problem with your eFootball. See you guys in the next one. Bye.